Hello, my name is Jade Banks, and I will be discussing monopolistic and perfect competition. A firm needs to produce an output where the total revenue and total cost is as large as possible in order to maximize their profits. A perfect competition exists when there are many buyers and sellers in the market, companies sell similar products, there are low barriers to enter or exit the market, all buyers have the same information to stay in the market at the same competitive level, and no firm can influence price or conditions like a monopoly. A monopolistic competitive market arranges between a pure monopoly where a single firm holds all market power and perfect competition. A monopolistic competitive market exists when there are also many buyers and sellers in the market. There are differences in a product, but not a significant difference in price. Producers have control over the price they charge. Also, they have low barriers to enter and exit a market. All buyers have the same information to stay in the market at the same level in perfect competition, and no firm can influence price or conditions. Producers have control over the price they charge in a monopolistic competition, and they are more elastic when new competitors join the market. Today, face masks are just as important as the major foods you purchase from the grocery store. These two things are needed to live a healthy lifestyle these days. There are a number of people that provide masks, such as your local dollar store, gas stations, and possibly your neighbor. For this reason, it would be a bad decision to set a high price for masks or even food products. In a perfect competition, the prices are set by supply and demand. Two frequently purchases that I make that are considered perfect competition products are face masks and screens, repair screens for your smartphones. A scenario for a monopolistic competitive market is a steak from a new steak and seafood restaurant and a steak from Longhorns. I could go to a nationally known restaurant like Longhorns to get a steak, or a new celebrity owned restaurant named Blaze Steak and Seafood. They both have different prices slightly and taste differently, but they are very similar in what items they serve. In conclusion, a firm needs to produce an output where the total revenue costs is large as possible in order to maximize their profit. Both monopolistic and perfect competition are a firm that are able to maximize their profits if they are able to properly operate their businesses. In return, they both can have a normal profit in the long run. Thank you.